Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix Mayhem extension not working. This same steps still work for an AM extension not working. So if you have that same problem with your NAM extension, you can still make use of those same steps to fix it. So the first thing you have to put in mind is that if mayhem extension are not working, try this common step. The first step is to update your mayhem app. To update your mayhem app, you have to make sure you download the latest version of your mayhem app. If not, it's not going to really work. It will have issues with extension. The second step you have to take note is to update your extension. To update your extension, you need to open your mayhem app this way, then click on the browse option here. From here, all you have to do is to click on the extension update option here. Now you just click on this download option close to it in order to update and install a latest version of your extension. If after installing an extension and you still have issues with it, the step you have to take is to remove the faulty extension and reinstall it again. Maybe it has a glitch that is making it to be faulty for that moment, so reinstalling it is going to fix that glitch. The fourth method is for you to check your internet connection. Poor internet can stop sources from loading, so in order to check your internet connection, you just have to make sure you swap from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. The way I'm making use of my mobile data now, I just have to off my mobile data and try making use of Wi-Fi. Or if you're using your mobile data, you can swap or switch to your mobile data and make use of it. So guys, that is it on how to fix mayhem extension not working. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.